Hey guys, you want to check out the new Motobilt heavy duty body mounts. They are incredible. Wait till you see the construction, the craftsmanship, and the quality of these mounts in general. They'll make a huge difference in your Jeep. So the new Motobilt heavy duty steel body mounts offer several advantages. One, they're constructed of a heavy duty 3/16 steel plate, which is CNC formed so that it creates an angled skid plate like construction, versus the factory is just a thin sheet metal which hangs down and isn't supported at all. So what happens is when you're off-roading, a rock, a tree stump or something can literally just bend that mount and easily tear it from the frame. The new mounts are stronger. They're designed more like a skid plate, have an upward slope, yet still retain all the functionality of the factory mounts, but you do not have to worry about them being torn up. So Motobilt heavy duty body mounts for the TJ are the way to go.